Alright, so quick update on ADA. I'm not necessarily going to run through everything I ran in the last video. I don't feel the need to talk about this big descending kind of triangle that we were in, or put too much detail or emphasis into that, because the number one thing I want you to take away from this video is what I've been highlighting for my subscribers for the past few videos. And this was this $1 line on ADA. So if we do just quickly zoom back, I will reiterate. We did have many touch points in one of my previous videos. We counted all these touch points, and I think we counted like between 15 or 18 touch points in total. Like, I can start removing these now, but this $1 was a very significant level. Obviously ADA has many memes about it being a stable coin as well, so for it to lose $1 is very dreadful. Once we did break down what below $1, we estimated that we were going to do something like this, come down, back test, and come down to our target down here at 76 cents. So far, let's see how our prediction's done. We were here when we made this prediction. We did predict that we were going to come back and back test it, and that's exactly what we did. So far we have dumped 11% from the wick, and from the price that we are now, we've dumped 9%. So that's a pretty good trade. I personally haven't been trading this coin. I'm not going to short this coin, I'm not going to long this coin. I am kind of just covering this coin for people who want to see. So yeah, I mean, this big red box down here is the kind of the price where I believe it's going to go down to. So if we look at the bottom of this box down here, you can see that this is the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement target from this low here to this micro high. So in my opinion, we are coming down to this red box. If we do zoom out as well, you can see the top of this red box is the 786 of this micro move from when ADA went from 12 cents all the way to the all-time high over here. So it is drawn out to here, but I have just got it over here to kind of get it out of my way, so it makes up less noise on the chart. So all in all, I don't want to drag this video out for too long. We are below the 200-day moving average. We are below this big red trend line that we have been below for a very long time. This red support, this $1 region that was support has now flipped resistance, so it is now a red line, red horizontal ray, and we've basically come crashing down since then. So all in all, I really don't see anywhere where this coin can bounce at this point. I have looked at multiple fibs. I have looked at fibs from here to here, and there's no fib that I see coming into play before we do get to this red box. So I am sticking with my prediction that we are going to be coming down to at least 76 for ADA. You can see a worst case scenario, we would be coming down to 70, which would be a 30% drop. But do bear in mind, we are already falling off the table, so it would only be a 23% drop from where we are now, worst case, and something like a 17% drop in a somewhat best case scenario. So just to wrap this up, in my previous video, one more thing about the $1. I did say when we did break below on the daily, I said I personally would not really be panicking until we did close a weekly candle below. And yesterday was obviously the Sunday close. We have opened a new candle, pardon me, and we are falling off the table. So I did say if we do close a weekly below here, I think we're going to fall off the table, simply because we've never closed a weekly below $1 since we got above it. Since the 12th of February 2021, we got above $1. We may have had daily wicks below, which is why I said don't get out of bed, don't panic for a wick below. But if we do have a weekly close below the $1, then I personally would be expecting lower price targets. So yeah, all in all, I am expecting us to come down to 76. That is basically all I've got for you. There's no volume coming in, and the RSI is dropping like a rock, so not too much to talk about on there. I can talk about the money flow index, and really nothing to see here either. Money flow index is very indecisive, but it does seem like money has very much flowed out of ADA in the past you know, in the past year, really. I mean, it has just been losing volume. We can tell over here by the volume of buyers and sellers as well that there's not really anyone in the market, but the people who are in the market, as you can see by all these red candles, they are dumping. So yeah, that's all I see for ADA right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.